Here we have my friend the onion. We're going to show you two things with this onion. We're going to show you how to dice it, and we're also going to show you how to slice it. So come on in and have a look. First thing you want to do with the onion is take off the top end. So this is the end on the onion that grows up out of the ground, and this is the root end. This end would be in the ground. So the first thing you can do is just slice it off. Second thing you want to do is slice off the root end. We're going to slice down. And now you can see I've just cut off a little bit of the root. I want to leave the core in because it's going to hold the onion together. The next thing we're going to do is, starting at the root end, you're just going to cut the onion in half. Some people just peel off the papery skin. I also take off the first outer layer, as that tends to be fibrous and tough and thinner than the other layers. So first we're going to show you how to slice. And for slicing, it's really easy. Hold your onion, hold your knife perpendicular to the board, and just go and slice. If you want thin slices, slice it thin. If you want thick slices, slice it thick. Next we're going to show you dicing. And if you remember from our garlic video, it's the same technique. You're going to go in and cut into the onion. And you don't want to cut all the way through. Notice I'm cutting about 90% of the way through the onion, 95% of the way. I'm stopping just short of cutting the onion all the way through. Turn the onion, hold your knife perpendicular to the board, and cut straight down into it. You'll lose some pieces here, a little bit will fly out, it's okay. After that, cut straight down into the onion. And there you go. That's how to mince it. If you want it even finer, you can continue and run your knife through it and just keep chopping and chopping till you get it as fine as you want. Have fun with your onions.